I mean, like, 2 years ago, I was in like, this is the only shit I'm good at. You know what I mean? But, check it. You tell me what my dreams are if education never plays an option. Cause school's going horrible, but I don't feel like dropping out now. Yeah, I know that I'm failing and haters would laugh. Still, it's really hard when music is all you're good at. Couldn't dribble a ball, couldn't flip it through gymnastics. Couldn't have a talent, nothing special I could brag with. Skinny as fuck, couldn't dance, I was average. Then I got a pen and a pad to write tracks with. And it was small, but I've been taking this path for 2 years. But this rapping's been a pain in the ass. But look, if you were all up in the struggle that I'm in, you would recognize the judging to the color of my skin. When they say that I'm a chink and discrimination begins, I just sit and wait in my room, waiting to take the win. Step pops is fed up, mama's getting older, peers passing me the ganja. But sorry, I am sober, feels like it's just over. Life ain't really fuck kinda, it's just my eyes are in the vision of a drunk driver. No guidance in my eyes, I've been struggling. And then my pops is trying to wonder where my mother's been. He's just discovering that he has a son again. But back then he just looked and pulled the running man. It's just colder, getting older, and it seems that I'm holding and I'm closer to my dreams. Holla.
Hey, young man, I know sometimes it's hard to keeping on, but you gotta keeping on. Yeah, don't worry, you'll get past the storm. Just keeping on, boy, you gotta keeping on.
Come on.
Yeah.
Which one?